find time to say affirmative messages to myself instead of, just forgetting.
So, for example, I think you're on mute. What self message you gave to yourself?
Like, I can do it and there's no need to be scared. If others can do it, why can't I?
So I started working on the sleep technique. I used to remind myself what I've done the whole day, and it actually helped me a lot. Like whenever people now ask me what did you do yesterday or the last week, I actually can answer them. Then I also started working on the timetable. I'm not yet quite forgetting it, but still I'm trying.
Can you give one example? One
So for
positive thought, one
example
negative
means
thought.
before learning any subject, for example take chemistry or any subjects, I used to think that no, this won't be able to do, means this is hard. First I used to think that, but now I think that yes, I can do it because everyone are doing it, so why can't I?
Yep.
And I finish my homework and all, and then I just motivate myself. Like the exams are coming close, so it like if you get scared, there's no point of getting scared because it's not going to do any good to you. And like that, I motivate myself in different ways. Like now, I'm not good at math at all, so I motivate myself to do more sums each day to practice math. So that's how all I feel.